Welcome to Health Screen. And if you want to show you're listening to Spotify on Discord mobile, first thing is open up the Discord application and then go to your U at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, from here, just simply go to the gear icon on the top right corner. And now, from here, just simply go ahead, scroll down a little bit, and you should be able to see here connections. Now, from here, just simply select Add on the top right corner of the screen, and just simply scroll down, and you should be able to see here Spotify. Now, it will open up a browser, and just simply log in into your Spotify account. So, I'm gonna continue with my Google account, and you will have other applications as well, like Facebook or Apple. And now, once you are logged in, now, once you have logged in into an account, just simply select agree over here. Now it will show something like this, and you can just simply go back to the Discord, and you should be able to see something like this. And make sure to turn on display Spotify as your status. And now also you could display on your profile and turn it on. Now let's go back and let's check if it's working. And as you can see, we have the Spotify showing on our profile. Now, as you can see, when we go to our server, as you can see, it is showing that I am listening to Spotify. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.